Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you want to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok, so to fix that what you have to do is just simply open up your TikTok application. After opening up your TikTok application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, then tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on settings and privacy, and then scroll down. You will find this option report a problem. Just tap on it. After tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply scroll down, and after scrolling down you will find this option which is submit a report. Just simply tap on submit a report. After tapping on that, now what you have to do is just simply enter the feedback. So what you can do is just simply type in I want to add a live wallpaper on my TikTok, so please allow me that option, and after doing that you can also enter the screenshot if you want. So if you have a screenshot of how that wallpaper looks, you can just simply upload it by tapping on that photo icon which you find below. And after doing that, you can just simply tap on submit, and after tapping on submit, your problem will be sent to TikTok and they will fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.